This is question 1e. In this question, we are asked what type of sequence with ROC that forms an annular ring. Now, what is an annular ring? It looks like this. This is the z-plane, and the region of convergence is only between two circles. It looks like a ring. Now, we can rule out finite duration sequence, because finite duration sequence is the entire z-plane, which is not a causal sequence because causal sequence extend outwards. It is not the anti-causal sequence because anti-causal sequence have ROC that extend inward. So what is this? Well, you will notice that the answer is actually it is a two-sided sequence, and it is a two-sided infinite sequence, and the sequence is bounded by two poles, one at this position at with radius r2 and the other one with radius r1. Let's see an example. So we have a two-sided infinite sequence. On the causal side is half to the power of n un. On the anti-causal side is minus bracket 3n u minus n minus 1. So this is the sequence. We take the z transform individually. For an, un, the z transform is 1 over 1 minus amc minus 1. Interestingly, for this expression of xn, but for anti-causal, it is the same expression. The only difference is z greater than a for the top one, which is a causal, z less than a for the anti-causal. Now, well, let's go ahead and find the z transform of half n un. The answer is here. x1 is z over z minus r1, where r1 is 3. This is the z transform of the anti-causal signal. x2 is the causal signal. r2 is half. So x2 is z over z minus half. We draw the position of the two poles. For z equals to half, we draw the region of convergence that is external to him. Now, for the other region of convergence, at z equals to 3, we draw internal to him, the green guy. Because for z equals to 3, this is for the anti-causal sequence. Z equals to half is the pole for the causal sequence. It is the overlap between this red and green that is the final ROC, and hence the final ROC is only this annular ring. So the answer to this question is what type of sequence will form an annular ring, and the answer is that it must be an infinite sequence. On the causal side, the pole will be sitting on radius at r2, and the anti-causal side will be radius r1. When r2 is less than r1, the overlap occurs and the region of convergence is an annular ring. That's the answer. Thank you.